Hi, I'm Roger Stoker.
And I'm Michael Ostro.
And we're from Grace Home Furnishings, and this year we did our personal home for Modernism Week. Our house was designed by Stan Sackley in 1976, and we purchased it from the original builder that worked with Stan Sackley. The other important design element was the interior design of the house was done by Steve Chase, who was a famous interior designer in Palm Springs.
Our other house had a lot of color, and I wanted it to be all kind of tone on tone, but Roger said, absolutely not, we cannot have all tone on tone. So instead we added color, but if you look at the house, the walls tend to be very plain and the color comes out in the furniture. So that was kind of how we kind of compromised.
We wanted to preserve the natural unfilled travertine tile floors, which had a lot of motion going on. So we wanted something a little bit more grand and dramatic for the shower walls. And the Calcutta medallion was beautiful and complemented the original travertine, but it was dramatic and it was a large pattern, so it was great for the format of the shower.
What's great about the Calcutta and the big slabs is that you don't have a lot of grout lines. It keeps it very simple, and we didn't really use any tile in the bathroom at all. We basically just used the stone to kind of keep everything very clean.
We had used Lapitec in our previous home, and we loved the durability of it, the fact that you can use it inside and out, and it just also has an aesthetic that lends itself to the 70s architecture of the house. We loved the fact that we could use it throughout the kitchen and then continue it on the pass-through, the barbecue, and the outdoor bar. We do a lot of outdoor entertaining in Palm Springs, and the summers are very hot. The Lapitec material is extremely durable and can withstand the summer temperatures that we have in Palm Springs. We enjoy working with Willis because they have material that is suitable for every application, and we have a variety of surfaces here, indoor and outdoor, and they have the right product for each area.
The great thing about Willis is they have so many options, and in our house, because it was going to be our house, we knew the different ways that we wanted to use it, and it gave us all those opportunities to do that, whether it be the countertops, whether it be the walls of the showers. There were just many options, and we were able to kind of choose from all of the options that they had.